Hello students, today I will show you how to register online for class 11 Assam State Board in any school you want. You might have got this particular message where you will get a link on nation.shebaonline.org. Click on the link and open it. Here you will open a new page where this login panel will appear. You can do it manually by typing shebaonline.org. Okay, in this page in the left side you can see a link on Nation Online portal for admission to class 11. Click on this link. A new page will appear where you can see three different buttons: portal for institution, and the middle one, portal for students or applicants. Click on this particular button. Again, this login panel will appear. Now what you have to do, you have to put on your roll and number of HSLC examination. Write the roll number, then date of birth, then CAPTCHA. Here it's written 41624, but when you will try to do this, the CAPTCHA will be different. Click on the login button now. So now you have logged in successfully. As I have done this previously, so you can see a new application here. What I am going to do, I will delete this application and try to do a new one. Click on the new application button. A page will appear where you have to select the district, select it from the drop down list or type its name, the district name. Then you have to also select the school or college name. Type the school or college name so that you can easily select. Okay, now click on the select button. So an alert will appear where it's written your request saved successfully. Click on the OK button. Now what you have to do, in this application form that has been created, fill up the application form. You have to fill up the application form. Click on that link. From the HSLC data, your name, your date of birth, your father and mother's name has been taken already. So what you have to do, you have to select the gender, WhatsApp number, email ID, religion, nationality, and permanent or present address. If both the addresses are same, then just click on that block or checkbox. See, as I have told you previously, that your father's name and mother's name has been taken from the HSLC data. If you have any local guardian, then write his name, address, local guardian's contact number. Then what you have to do, you have to select category. Select one category. General, SC, ST, OBC, TGAN, whatever it is. Then you have to select the medium of instruction. Here it's English only. Then you have to give your Aadhaar number if you have. If you don't have, don't write anything. Give the extracurricular activity or hobby. Then select elective subjects. Only 4 subjects you can select from the list. Then write your bank name, branch, account number, and IFSC code. After entering all the details, please verify once and then click on Save. After saving, click on the Home button, which will take you to this page again, where you will get the Upload button. Here you have to upload the photo and signature, but as I have not done anything, this upload button is invalid now. After that, the final status will show completed and you can submit your application. This is how you can apply for Assam State Board Class 11 in any school. Thank you for watching. Please do like the video, share and subscribe.